If you want to know how you can insert a SIM card in your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. But first of all, just make sure that your tablet is the LTE variant, because there is a variant which is Wi-Fi only, and if you have the Wi-Fi only variant, you will not have the SIM card tray at the side of your tablet. If you have the LTE variant, then just use any SIM card ejection tool and insert it in the SIM card tray hole at the side of your tablet. Now just push a little bit. Now from here you will be able to extract the SIM card tray out of your tablet. Now as you can see, this is the SIM card tray. Now in this section you can enter your nano SIM card, and over here you can use an SD card if you want to use one. But you cannot use two SIM cards at the same time. Now after you enter the SIM card in the SIM card tray, then just insert the SIM card tray back into your tablet. And once you do that, you will successfully enter your SIM card in your tablet. Just like that. And this is how you can insert your SIM card on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.